Hello crafty friends, I'm Jules and today I'm super excited to introduce you the new button press. Here it is, this is the ToAuto Button Maker Machine. It comes with all the kit you're seeing here on the table: button maker, circle cutter and button parts. So once you found the right picture, you can start making your own buttons. What an amazing machine! Let's try it right now. I'm gonna use the circle cutter to cut our picture. So let's put it in the middle. So the mold is 58 millimeters, but when you cut it on paper, it needs to be 12 millimeters bigger. Now I'm gonna take here a shell and I'm gonna put it in mold number 8. Here, let's slide it. We put it this way. Then I'm gonna take our picture and also put it over there in mold A. And then I take one transparent paper and I put it on it. I'm gonna make the machine slide again. And then I use the machine to press it strong. Then I can take a backing here. This is a backing. I put the backing in mold B over here. And then I make it slide on the other side. And I can press down the machine again. And look at it. Here, there it is, a very beautiful button. Now I'm gonna replace the old 58 millimeter mold by a new one which is 37 millimeter. So let's take all the mold off. A, B, C. And then I'm going to put this one first, 37 millimeter. This is A, and there's the last one, B. And then I'm going to take a smaller shell here. I'm going to put it in the mold. I'm going to take a small picture too, put it on top of it. And finally, a small transparent paper that I put on top of it too. I'm gonna slide down on the right and press. Then I can choose a smaller backing here. This is a small backing that I will put this way. And I'm gonna slide back on the left and press down again. Let's have a look at it. Wow, there it is, the new button. There it is, this is the 58 millimeters and here is 37 millimeters. This ToAuto badge button maker is very good. You can change the mold very easily to a bigger one or smaller one, and you can make as much button as you want and give it for a Christmas party, gift box or any special occasion. What a great DIY craft machine with so much fun!